We'll go to exercise 3.2. Question number 1. If k is real, discuss the nature of the roots of the polynomial equation 2x squared plus kx plus k equal to 0 in terms of k. That is, we know to find the roots of a quadratic equation and we know to find the nature of its roots. Now, what is the quadratic equation given? 2x squared plus kx plus k is equal to 0. The nature of the roots means we have to find the discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but delta. Delta is nothing but b squared minus 4ac. This is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a here? Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to k. We are going to find the value of delta. Delta is nothing but b squared minus 4ac. What is b? B is k. B squared is k squared minus 4 into a is 2 and c is k. This is k squared minus 8k. Take k commonly out. This is k into k minus 8. Now, we will discuss the nature of the roots. If I equate delta to 0, I will get two values for k. One is k equal to 0, another one is k equal to 8. Now, plot this on the real line. This is minus infinity, this is 0, this is 8 and this is plus infinity. Now, we will discuss the nature of the roots in the real line. First case 1, if k is less than 0, that is k is negative. K is negative in the sense we can put negative values for k, put a substitute. For example, substitute k equal to minus 1. If I substitute k as minus 1, this is minus 1 into minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9. So minus 1 into minus 9 is nothing but plus 9, which is positive. That is delta is greater than 0. If discriminant is greater than 0, we know that the roots are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. This is first case. Then case 2. K lies between 0 and 8. That is, k is in this interval 0 and 8. We can substitute any values. For example, take k as 5. K as 5 means this is 5 into 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is negative. For positive into negative is nothing but negative. Negative means delta is less than 0. For discriminant, therefore, discriminant is imaginary means the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary. Then we will go to case 3. Case 3 is the value of k is greater than 8. That is, k is greater than 8. K is greater than 8 means we can substitute k value as 9. 9 into 9 minus 8 is nothing but positive. Positive means delta is greater than 0. So what we can write here? K is greater than 8 means we can write delta greater than 0. Delta greater than 0 means the roots are real and unequal. Already we have discussed this case. Then case 4. Case 4 is the last interval. Already it is over. Now that is the last case. Only way is we can substitute k as 0 or k as 8. That is, k equal to 0 or k equal to 8. If I substitute k as 0, delta becomes 0. If delta is 0, the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal.